my channel. This is Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. I do videos about gardening on my allotment and recently running vlogs. I've been doing the Couch to 5k. This is a special video today. I'll be collaborating with Yvonne from Stickymess17. She does cleaning videos and is very inspirational and gets you motivated to clean your house. She uses really good cleaning products, and if you need motivation, go and head on over to her channel. That's Stickymess17. If you're coming over from her channel, hello, please subscribe. I don't only do gardening videos, I try to be healthy and make healthy recipes, and recently the running videos, as you know, touched 5k. I'll probably be doing more running videos, hopefully. I don't want to stop running. So me and Yvonne are going to be collaborating together to give you 10 Christmas gift ideas. Yvonne's is going to be for people who like cleaning, and she's got lots of cleaning ideas and hampers. And I'm doing Christmas ideas. Mine's going to be about gardening. So I'm doing 5, Yvonne's doing 5. And when you finish watching this video and seeing my ideas, go and head on over to Yvonne's videos at Stickymess17. I'll leave the link down below and you'll see her gift ideas. Make sure you say that I sent you so she knows where you've come from. And if you're new here, hi! Please subscribe. So please look down below at the description box. We'll have all the ideas there listed for you. The ideas that Yvonne has given and the ideas I've given. They will all be listed down below. All of these Christmas ideas I'm going to suggest right now are actually things that are on my Christmas list. So if you want to get me something for Christmas, you know what to do. Apart from a couple which I already have, which I'll tell you about in a minute. All of my gift ideas are going to be in little bundles, and they range between the price of 30 and 40. All the links will be below, so please click on them and let me know if you have any of these items yourself and what you think of them, because I already know they're going to be good. So the first one I have is gardening gloves. Why buy someone who likes gardening gloves? Well, we go through gardening gloves. We're in the garden almost every day, especially people who allotment garden, who have a big space and they weed a lot in all weathers. The gloves do wear down, so you need some good gloves, and that's what I actually need on my Christmas list. There's 2 in this pack for $6.95 and they're very waterproof. I also have RHS gardening gloves, which are a bit more expensive, so I wouldn't like it down deep into the wet mud with them, but they do look like they would hold up well. I haven't actually had these ones yet, but they might be on my Christmas list. They're $16.99 at the moment. And also I have a pack of regular winter gloves. Just plain basic winter gloves, because when it gets cold you put the winter gloves underneath with the gardening gloves on top and you'll stay nice and warm. Because when you just have your gardening gloves on and you're gardening, it is freezing. So people who garden will really appreciate this as part of the hamper set. And also in this hamper I have Working Hands hand cream. I have actually had this cream before because my hands do get dry and painful sometimes when you're working all the time. So this will really help, and people who garden will appreciate it. That's the first hamper. My second hamper idea is something I've been wanting for a while now, and that is deep root trainer sets. This is a set of 32 cells. They come all together, and the good thing about them is they are deep. So things like sweet corn and plants that don't like the roots disturbed, which grow quickly, which like sweet corn, which I really want to grow these for sweet corn, is they can grow deep really quick, and when you're ready to plant them, you just pull a tray apart and pull them out and plant them without disturbing the roots very much. So that's something I've been wanting for a while, and I know they're good because I've seen lots of people raving about them. That's $10.95, but if you look after them, you can keep the trays. I know we shouldn't be using plastic as much, but if we're going to be reusing the plastic, and it's something that will come in handy for growing your own food, I think will be good. And the other thing that's in this collection of gifts is something else I've been wanting. This might as well just be my Christmas list. Is 50 litre plastic plant pots. what I call potato pots, because everyone uses them for potatoes. They're the big pots with handles on the side, 50 litres. You get a pack of 5 for £32.49. But it's hard plastic and you will be reusing them, and apparently potatoes do grow better if fed right in pots and don't spread everywhere, and it's easier to harvest. So that's one of my must-haves, and that's one of my things I've been wanting. So that's just 2 items on that one, but people who garden and like to garden and grow their own veg will appreciate them. The third thing on my list is just some wellies. They don't have to be expensive wellies, because who wears expensive wellies to the allotment? I don't, I promise. So just get any average wellie, which I've got a link for. It's the short leg calf one, because when you're gardening you bend down a lot. You don't want something going too far up your leg. They average between £8.80 and £17.45. If I were to select my size only comes up at £9.54. And to go with these wellies, what you need in winter is some nice thick socks. This is a pack of 3 women's Wellington socks, sizes 4 to 8, £10.95. And to go with this little set, you could package them all together. You could have some foot cream, because standing on your feet all day at the allotment working hard, you do need to look after your feet as well as your hands. So don't forget those feet. Foot cream is Palmer's cocoa butter that comes in at only £2.78. And the 4th item on my list is something I do have, which I've been meaning to do a review on. I'm going to be making a review of all the weathers, spring, summer, autumn, winter, to see how this tool works, so that will be coming up sometime next year. Wolfgarten Das Multi-Change Soil Muller. You do need the stick as well, but I'm going to tell you right now, whoever you buy this for, who owns an allotment or a big, large garden or a vegetable plot, will really appreciate it. At the moment, this comes in at £30.24. That's just the tool at the end, but it is worth it. You just put it along the soil and it gets all the weeds off the top, and it does till the soil as well. And I have clay soil, and it works on clay soil, let me tell you. So with this, you need to get the handle. This is the handle that I have. It is the 150cm metal handle with the red bar. I was going to get the wooden one, but it seemed a bit too taller than me. So I've got the shorter one. That comes in at £17.57. It just connects at the end, and the good thing about this is if you get this, you don't just use the tiller tool with it. They can buy future attachments, or you could buy another attachment every Christmas. Hint, hint. And the last thing on my list is something to pamper yourself with, so you can have a treat. Because allotment gardening and gardening in general is hard work. This pampering bath gift set, it has cute bath bombs, candles to put around the bath, it has bath salts. What else does it have? Everything you could want. But this comes in at £27.99, and it's just a worry-free where instead of getting everything separately yourself, just get this set. You don't have to think about it. Everyone needs a pampering set. All these gift ideas you could wrap up nice, especially the first one you could put in a hamper, because gloves and things like that would fit in that. The big potato pots probably won't, but you know, you can wrap them up and put them together still. To go with this hamper or any of the other ideas I've suggested, you can also get your gardening friend some chocolates. Who doesn't like chocolates? This is my personal favourite. At the moment this is £7.50, and if you're feeling generous you could top these gifts up with Amazon gift card, or if you just feel like it isn't enough, gift card. Then they can, throughout the year, get what they want. Thanks very much for popping over, I really appreciate it. I'd love to hear from you all coming over from Yvonne's channel. And don't forget, all the links to these Christmas ideas are below. Thanks for coming over. See you next time.